We are introducing a very amazing product which is good and easy to use in your home. As in this world of new technologies, everyone wants to save the money with a good quality everywhere. So we are happy to provide you this new techniques. This product will help to save three important things in your life, which is very valuable for all of us. It will help you to save your money, to save your time, to save your energy. Anchor Allied Factory Limited presents you polyurethane foam, a new product of Asmeco brand. PU foam is one of the best product to use. It's very easy to use, like to play a game. As we all do very hard work to make our home beautiful, with beautiful windows, with beautiful doors, and these things are like backbone of our home. Without doors and windows, we can't even imagine for a beautiful home. We used to call carpenters to fix all these things in our home, and the drill machines and other tools sounds a lot, which spreads sound pollution, and that's not good for our health and even for environment. And if we challenge you that you can do many things without carpenter or any other tools, maybe for you it is strange to listen and in fact impossible to do. But PU Foam, a product of Asmeco brand, has proved it true. Mostly people puts white cement kind of things to fix the frames of windows, doors. But you must have seen the cracks in the corners of all things. After using the cement, where with the use of PU foam, you will not get any kind of problem and cracks nearby doors or any other things. PU foam is formulated with such types of chemicals which keeps cockroaches, insects, termite away from wherever PU foam is applied. The most interesting part is that PU foam is paintable. The grip of PU foam is very strong than the white cement, and it takes just 3-4 hours to dry, where other cement takes a long time to dry. This product has become very famous in many developed countries. You can use it around gap of AC ducts and cable wires of your air condition. It makes a strong grip wherever it is applied. It expands around 300% of the quantity used by you very smoothly in few seconds. And if in case it comes out in high quantity by mistake, then no need to worry, because you can cut it very easily with the cutter. But remember, you can cut only when it's cured properly. And usually we spend our lifetime saving to make our home beautiful and strong. So why we do compromise with these kind of things? Actually, we should not avoid these things, because these are like a bodyguard to keep our home, workplace strong and beautiful. So, now forget all the old techniques and use this amazing product PU Foam for your home. Your home is not only the place where you just stay, in fact it becomes like a part of family if you will love your home to stay happily. So give a good gift to care to your sweet home. Most of construction companies has started using PU foam all around the world. Anchor Allied Factory Limited is based in Sharjah, UAE, and polyurethane foam is a best product of Asmeco brand.